Hello everyone, and welcome back to DCC Sodor for another video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Mavis. So, everyone knows who Mavis is. I don't really have to go into much detail about that. But I finally have upgraded Mavis to DCC and sound. I did this a while ago for a client, and I thought after doing that, man, Mavis would be a good next step for DCC. She had a lot of work done, and I'll show a little bit of the disassembly. I had to jump around from Workbench to another spot to be able to do some of the modifications to the frame and everything that I did, so there's not going to be too much in the way of how I did this. I thought there might be more footage of that, but I'll quickly talk through it. So I've disassembled the moving eye mechanism. She doesn't have moving eyes anymore. Obviously, she's got this new 3D printed face, which I actually think looks a whole lot better. She's got a TV series style lamp, and she's also got a tail lamp in the back, which we'll see in a minute. When I disassembled the moving eyes, I took out all the gearing, and I actually ground down some of the little shafts that go to hold the gears in. And in doing that, I was able to put a Keep Alive, and I'll show a little clip of the Nix Trains Keep Alive that I used. It's a 3-wire system instead of the typical 2-wire that we get from a lot of other manufacturers, and is compatible with Sound decoders. I also shaved down 2 little screw posts that held the original PCB, the speakers, the speakers under in the roof here, and then the decoder sits right about here with all the resistors and the lighting to go to turn on her lights. So let's do that. We'll get some sound started up on her, and you might be able to see the red lamp reflecting off the back of Scruffy. And we'll get some sound going. You get to listen to her sounds and some of her voice clips. I used Teresa Gallagher's voice clips from like, I guess season 18. Pretty much every single clip is from Thomas the Quarry Engine, I think, because I don't know that there are too many other episodes that she was even featured in. So we'll go from there. Okay, we're going into handheld mode for a little bit. Move some stuff. Wired in the pickups and the motor. I need to test this just using this little ESU E24 adapter board. We'll kind of take care of the wiring in a little bit. But I've also glued in Mavis's front lamp, which is a little crooked, but it'll be all right. And then her tail lamp up here. So we're making progress. Hopefully I can finish this up in the next day or two, and I can get back to working on some, finalizing the video and working on some other projects. Alright, so I just did my first test on Mavis, and thankfully everything worked. Now I'm going to be putting in this new Nix Trains 3-wire Stay Alive. Found these are much cheaper than the ESU ones, and they're just like the ESU ones. They're 3-wire 3-wire Keep Alives. Of course, he shows his decoder buddies, but these should work with the decoders as well. So I'm going to see if I can slide this into the chassis here without interfering with any of the wiring. And yep, so that's going to be the next step. And then I got to wire. I also finish the lighting, so we'll wire in the lighting, and then maybe this will be good to go.
You can't make this easy, can you?
seaside. There are more cars to get ready. They need to go to the docks by 4. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. Oh, I do like to stroll along the prom, where the brass bands play. Tiddly-um-pom-pom. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. When I'm down beside the sea, I'm beside myself with glee, beside the seaside, beside the sea.
All right, let's get Mavis going. She's a pretty slow but smooth runner. See a nice smooth start there. And let's get some clips of her running around the layout. And so there's Mavis. We got to see some clips of me, tearing her apart, and some of the other in-process clips I took. And now she's running, and she runs really well. I like the small range of speed that she's got. She'll be perfect for switching a quarry when I actually, revisit the quarry, because I'm not really too happy with the way it's turning out right now. But that's not for this video. So, with that being said, I'm going to end this video off here. And we're going to work on some more stuff and revisiting the layout. And there's a bunch of new videos coming soon. So, be sure to be on the lookout for those. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.